In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers to your document in Google Docs. This is an essential skill if you're looking to organize your documents or prepare something more formal, like a report or an essay. Let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, open up your document in Google Docs. You might be staring at a set of beautifully written pages, but you'll notice they lack one crucial component: page numbers. Not to worry, adding these is a breeze. Simply direct your attention to the top menu bar of the Google Docs interface. You're going to look for the Insert option up there. It's generally about halfway across the menu, next to other options like File and Edit. Click on Insert, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find a section labeled Page Elements. It's this section that contains the keys to adding page numbers to your document. When you hover over or click on Page Elements, several options will be displayed, and here you'll find page numbers. Go ahead and click on that. This action will lead you to a set of options for your page numbering. Now you have some choices to make about where and how you'd like your page numbers to appear. You could start numbering on the very first page if you prefer, or you can begin after the first page, particularly useful if your first page is, say, a cover page or title page. You'll also decide on the placement of these numbers. Would you rather have them at the top right of the page or the bottom right? It's entirely up to you, and Google Docs makes it easy to customize this as you see fit. So select your preference based on what looks best for your specific document. Once you've made these choices, click on your preferred setting, and like magic, your document now has page numbers. It's a small adjustment, but one that adds a significant touch of professionalism and organization to your work. And there you have it. Easily numbered pages to help guide your readers through your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something more you'd like to learn, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.